I'm Fernando Plaza. I'm the Chief Digital Officer for Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. I'm in charge of our digital transformation, our digital strategy, and also our FinTech Partnership Program, Adib Ventures.
Thank you so much for your time today here at the Dubai FinTech Summit. Can you share a bit more about the Adib Ventures?
Sure. So, as we are in this era of innovation, everything is moving very fast. There are a number of things that we do very well as a bank. We do very well product, we do very well financing, risk, compliance, we have the trust of our customers. But given how fast everything is moving, we recognize that there are partners in the market, fintechs, emerging technology that we can reach out to and we can partner with to better deliver our services for our customers. At the end of the day, it's about delivering a customer experience. That's why we set up Adib Ventures. Adib Ventures is our fintech partnership program where we actually look at the market, try things out, do pilots, and those technologies and those capabilities which are suitable for our customers, we incorporate it in our products. And the other way around, there are things that we do very well as a bank, now we can enable for the market. And this partnership and this symbiotic approach to doing business together is what we are delivering with Adib Ventures.
And you were also on the panel discussions here today. Can you share some of the insights from the panel?
So on the panel, there was a lot of focus on artificial intelligence, data, and what is the future, right? I think the common thing is that it's very difficult to predict the future. At the end of the day, what we need to do very well is to deliver value for customers. There are a number of things that customers always love, which is speed, trust, and value, right? So AI, at the end of the day, needs to be supporting these aspirations. So we as Adib are enabling AI across so many different touchpoints, right? From a security point of view, whenever you are opening your bank account fully digitally, we do automatic checks online. We're powering our operations, we're powering our compliance, and Gen AI is going to be part of the future. But at the end of the day, it's about delivering value for customers. So even though people talk about all of these innovations about agentic AI, generative AI, these are things that we are doing, we are testing. We have Gen AI deployed into our digital factory, for example. We have chatbots talking directly to customers, but at the end is to support the customer, right? So as we continue to understand what customers want, those are the things that we will do for our customers.
What do you think the future looks like for fintech in Islamic banking specifically, and how are you gearing your digital strategy towards that?
So Islamic finance has been growing very fast. It's been growing faster than conventional finance. Now, there's been a lot of innovations in the Islamic finance space. For example, we launched recently fractional sukuks. Fractional sukuks means that the minimum amount that you typically have as a customer to invest in a sukuk, which is a Sharia compliant version of the bond, is $200,000, which is quite high price for many customers. So we were able to enable the right technology so we can break this down, and now the minimum investment is $1,000. And now we can actually give a fantastic investment option to our customers which are concerned about ensuring that they are accessing a Sharia compliant product. Innovations like this, with partners like the ones that we're working in the market, are exactly the perfect example of what is coming. We have more innovation with AI, with digital assets. There's going to be a whole range of services and capabilities that we can unlock. But at the end, like we said earlier, it's about how can these capabilities serve the customer. So in terms of Islamic banking, we are very excited. And Adib Ventures is having a special focus as an Islamic bank in all of this partnership to be a fully Sharia compliant bank.
And then lastly, why is it so important to be here and have a presence at this summit?
Dubai FinTech Summit is a fantastic place because most of the decision makers are here and we are able to have meaningful conversations about what's going on in the market. We are finding opportunities, we are finding challenges. So the ability for you to have these conversations with our peers, our customers, our investors in this place is of very high value for us. Now, we're also meeting partners, we're also meeting potential new services and capabilities because there is so much innovation going around. All of these things that we discussed, Gen AI, digital assets, customer experience payments. So all of them are here and we are learning from each other and we are building better services for our customers.
Well, thank you for your time and we wish you the best for the rest of the summit.
Yeah, thank you very much.